Welcome my friends on my channel Learn Hindi with Veer Veep. Today we learn conjunctive words. Conjunctive words is very important as it connects two sentences. In Hindi, conjunctive words is called Sanyojak Shabd. With the help of this, we can connect two sentences. So it's very important. Learn it very carefully. For example, I have a car and a bike. Here, and is used as a conjunctive words. So conjunctive words is very important. Please like and subscribe to my channel to learn Hindi through Veep. It will help you to learn Hindi in a very easy way. So friends, please like and subscribe. So in conjunctive word whatever, जो कुछ, in Hindi whatever, जो कुछ, however, फिर भी, however, फिर भी, where is जहाँ तक, where is जहाँ तक, who जो, whatever जो कुछ, however फिर भी, where is जहाँ तक, who जो, whatever जो कुछ, however फिर भी, where is जहाँ तक, who जो. The as soon as जितनी जल्दी, that की, although जब की, either और या, neither nor ना ही, not only ना सिर्फ. as soon as जितनी जल्दी, that की, although जब की, either और या, neither nor ना ही, not only ना सिर्फ. as soon as जितनी जल्दी, that की, although जब की, either और या, neither nor ना ही, not only ना सिर्फ. if यदि, although यद्यपि, also भी, because क्योंकि, otherwise अन्यथा. if यदि, although यद्यपि, also भी, because क्योंकि, otherwise अन्यथा. if यदि, although यद्यपि, also भी, because क्योंकि, otherwise अन्यथा. while हालांकि, while हालांकि, wherever जहाँ कहीं, whenever जब कभी, whatever जब कभी, when जब. while हालांकि, wherever जहाँ कहीं, whenever जब कहीं, whatever जब कभी, when जब. while हालांकि, wherever जहाँ कहीं, whenever जब कभी, whatever जब कभी, when जब. so now for के लिए, and और, but किंतु, और या, so इसलिए. for के लिए, and और, but किंतु, और या, so इसलिए. for के लिए, and और, but किंतु, और या, so इसलिए. so please friend, like and subscribe to my video for getting more video related to learning Hindi.